Good morning, students. Today we will start Lesson 9 Simple Machines. Children, as we are going to read about machines, so first we should know what is a machine. So, children, anything that makes our work easier is called a machine. From hammer to a pair of scissors, a computer, and a car, we use different machines in our daily lives. So, we can say that a machine is a device that does a physical task. So, simple machines help us to do our work faster and with less effort. It changes the direction of force used and do the work with less force. So children, machines are mainly of two types. First one is simple machine and the second one is the complex machines. So machines with few moving parts are called simple machines like needle, screw, etc. And the machines made up of two or more simple machines are called complex machines. For example, sewing machine. Now, let us study about types of simple machines. The most basic machines are called simple machines. They change the strength or direction of a force such as push or pull. So, there are 6 basic simple machines. Number 1, lever. Number 2, inclined plane. Number 3, screw. 4, wedge. 5, pulley. And the last, 6th, wheel and axle. So children, today we will read about only lever. So lever is a simple machine that help us to move or lift a heavy object by using less force. Or we can say that a lever is a bar or board that rests on a support or is fixed at one point. A lever can transfer and increase the force applied to one end of it. People use levers to move heavy objects and open things like the lid of a box. A lever has 3 important parts: fulcrum, load, and effort. Fulcrum is the point at which a lever is fixed. Load is the object on which work is being done. And effort is the force being applied. So, we can say that the distance between the effort and the fulcrum is the effort arm, and the distance between the fulcrum and the load is the load arm. So children, in this diagram, what is the man trying to do? He is trying to move the boulder with a long pole. He applies force on one end of the pole. The pole is supported by a fulcrum. By applying muscular energy, he will be able to move the load easily. So in this figure, the boulder is the load, and the force is the effort. Now let us study about the types of lever. So there are 3 classes or kinds of levers. In each class, the position of the load, effort, and fulcrum change. First class lever. In a first class lever, fulcrum is in the center. Scissors, seesaw, trolley, a plier, a hand pump are examples of first class lever. Next comes the second class lever. In second class lever, the load is in the center. Examples of second class lever are nutcracker, wheelbarrow, bottle opener, etc. And the last, the third class lever. In third class lever, the effort is in the center. Load is at the extreme end. Examples of third class lever includes tweezers, tongs, stapler, fishing rod, and nail clipper, etc. So children, today's explanation is over. Your assignment is to read the explained topic nicely and learn 2 examples in each class of liver. Thank you.